Welcome back to Brainspace. Today we're diving into a topic many people are curious about: the 13 biggest turn-ons for men. Yup, we're going to break it all down. While every guy is different, some universal things can drive most men wild. And no, it's not all about looks. So whether you're looking to spice up your relationship or just trying to understand what makes men tick, stick around, because we're about to get real. Number 8 is the point which you have never thought of. Let's begin. Number 1, confidence. This is one of the biggest turn-ons. Hands down, confidence is incredibly attractive because it shows that you know your worth and are comfortable in your own skin. When a woman walks into a room with her head held high and doesn't need constant validation, it's magnetic. Confidence is about how you carry yourself, how you speak, and how you own your space. Men are drawn to women who know they're amazing without being arrogant about it. Number 2, a sense of humor. There's nothing sexier than a woman who can laugh, joke around, and have a good time. A great sense of humor shows you're fun, laid back, and don't take life too seriously. Whether it's laughing at a guy's jokes or making some witty comments of your own, humor creates an instant connection. And guys love a girl who can keep up with playful banter or isn't afraid to let her goofy side show. Number 3, being passionate about something. It doesn't matter if you're into your career, art, fitness, or even a hobby like cooking or writing. When a woman is passionate about something in her life, it's incredibly attractive. Passion shows drive, dedication, and a sense of purpose. Guys love it when a woman lights up talking about something she loves because it shows that she's got ambition and depth. It's that enthusiasm and energy that stands out. Number 4, playfulness and flirty energy. Guys are drawn to women who can be playful and flirt without being too serious all the time. Whether it's playfully teasing him, throwing in a cheeky smile, or lightly touching his arm during a conversation, this type of flirty, fun energy creates a spark. It keeps things exciting and shows that you're comfortable being a little spontaneous and carefree. Have you liked these facts so far? The next points are even more interesting. Number 5, intelligence. Brains are sexy. Guys are turned on by women who can hold deep, meaningful conversations and challenge their way of thinking. Intelligence isn't just about knowing facts. It's about being curious, thoughtful, and having insight into the world. When a woman can engage in stimulating conversation and express her own opinions, it's a major turn-on because it shows she has substance and is mentally engaging. Number 6, kindness and compassion. A caring, compassionate nature is something guys find incredibly attractive. When a woman shows empathy, listens to others, and genuinely cares about people, it radiates warmth. Kindness isn't a weakness, it's a strength, and it makes men feel more connected and appreciated. Whether it's being supportive in tough times or just showing little acts of kindness, this quality goes a long way in making a woman irresistible. Number 7, physical touch. We're not talking about anything extreme here. Even the simplest touches can be powerful. A light hand on the arm during a conversation, a gentle hug, or resting your head on his shoulder can create a sense of intimacy and connection. Touch is a huge part of human communication, and for guys, these small, affectionate gestures can be a big turn-on because they feel wanted and appreciated. Number 8, independence. A woman who can hold her own, who has her own goals, friends, and life is incredibly attractive. Men are drawn to independent women because it shows that she's self-sufficient, confident, and not overly reliant on them for happiness. When a woman has her interests and life outside of the relationship, it adds a healthy balance and respect to the connection. Number 9, genuine compliments. Guys love receiving compliments, just like anyone else. Whether it's telling him he looks good today or that you appreciate something he's done, a well-timed compliment can go a long way. It shows that you notice him and value what he brings to the table. And the key here is being genuine. If a guy knows you really mean it, it can be a huge confidence booster and a definite turn-on. Number 10, being supportive of his goals. Men are turned on by women who are genuinely supportive of their dreams and ambitions. If a guy feels like you believe in him and are cheering him on, it boosts his confidence and makes him feel appreciated. Whether it's offering encouragement during tough times or celebrating his wins, being that supportive partner creates a deep connection and attraction. Number 11, emotional vulnerability. This one might surprise some people, but when a woman is open and honest about her feelings, it's a huge turn-on for men. It shows that she trusts him and is willing to be real and authentic. Emotional vulnerability doesn't mean being overly emotional all the time. It's about being open to sharing your feelings and letting him into your inner world. This creates emotional intimacy, which is a key component of attraction. Number 12, taking care of herself. Guys find it really attractive when a woman takes care of her body, mind, and overall well-being. This isn't just about looking good physically. It's about showing that you respect and love yourself enough to maintain a healthy lifestyle, whether it's staying active, eating well, or having a positive mindset. A woman who takes care of herself radiates confidence, and that's a major turn-on. Number 13, authenticity. Last but definitely not least, authenticity is a huge turn-on. Men are drawn to women who are real and true to themselves, rather than trying to be someone they're not. Authenticity shows confidence, and it allows a deeper connection because you're not hiding behind a facade. When a woman is comfortable being herself, quirks and all, it's one of the most attractive things she can offer. Remember, it's not just about looks. It's about how you make a guy feel, and these qualities go a long way in building attraction. So whether you're confident, funny, supportive, or just being your authentic self, you've already got what it takes to be irresistible. We put a lot of effort in making such valuable and informative videos for you, so we request you not to leave without subscribing. So don't forget to subscribe, press bell icon, and share it with your peers. See you in next video with new interesting topic.